Hello, and basically welcome to the channel. My name is Tim Nickson, and I have autism, and right, so what this channel is going to be about, it's going to be about recipes and cooking. On this channel you'll find a few number of recipes that includes cakes, biscuits, scones, curries and risottos, and also some chicken recipes. Okay, like I said before, I have autism. When I was about 4, my parents were told that I would never talk. Okay, so basically I proved them wrong. So okay, so I'm going to be known as the British Autistic Chef. The name BAC is just that, so what BAC stands for, British Autistic Chef. If you want to learn to cook, do become a backer. How to do that is you just subscribe and press the notification bell, so you will never never miss out on any videos when you press the notification bell. Okay, so okay, I hope to see you soon in the next video, and if you do subscribe, whether you're autistic or not and wanting to learn to cook, if you do subscribe, I will have your back.